So we were on exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4, quadratic equation, in which we will learn about the word problems that is mentioned in your exercise, in which the first question is, find the two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. What is the question? That we have the two numbers whose sum means addition, whose addition is 27 and product is 182. So as you know, in this chapter we have to work on the one variable, so we will let the first number be x. The first number will be x. And now if the sum of two number is 27 and if one number is x, then the other number will be 27 minus x. Like the sum of two number is 27, one number is x and other number is 27 minus x. Now the second line is product is 182. Product means multiplication. They are saying product of two number is 182. Now according to the assumption, we are letting first number multiply second number is equal to 182. First number is x multiply second number is 27 minus x, that is equal to 182. Now multiply it x into 27, that is 27x, x into x, that is x square, is equal to 182. Now we will shift 27x minus x square in the right hand side, and by shifting the sign will be changed. X square become positive, 27x become negative, and 182 will remain as it is. Now this is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation. Now we will find the value of x by the quadratic formula, which we have already done in the first exercise. Discriminant in which we need to find, which is known as the quadratic formula. So firstly we compare with the general equation, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 27 and c is equal to 182. Now according to the formula we have to find the discriminant. The formula for discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Here b is minus 27, so minus 27 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 182. After finding the square of 27, it is 729. 4 into 182, that is 728. So d is equal to 1. After that we have to find the two value of x, for which we have the formula minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Our b is already negative, minus of minus 27 plus minus root 1 upon 2. And we know very well that the square root of 1 is 1. So minus minus plus 27 plus minus 1 upon 2. So one time we have to add 27 plus 1, that is 28 by 2, 14, and one time we have to subtract 28 minus 1, that is 27 by 2, which is not possible. So the correct value is 14. It means the one number is 14 and the other number is 13. One number is 14 and the other number is 13. Why the other number is 13? Because if one number is 14, then second number is 27 minus 14, that is equal to 13. Now next question is, find the two consecutive positive integers whose sum of square is 365. First of all, we should know about the consecutive integers, those integers which are regular, or we can say in which their difference is only 1. So we will let the first number is x, and according to the statement the other number will be x plus 1. Now according to the question, sum of square. First of all we square the two number. First number is x, square of x is x square. And second number is x plus 1, square of x plus 1 is like x square plus 1 plus 2. And then we have to add their squares. X square plus x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 365. X square, we will open the whole square, x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 365. We will add the like terms, x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1. After that I will shift 365 in this side, 2x square plus 2x minus plus 1 minus 365, that is equal to minus 364. Now we will take 2 common from the whole equation. It become x square, it become x, and 2 common, when 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 16, 2 2 the 4. This 2 will be shifted in this side, 0 divided by 2, it becomes 0. Now again we have to factorize the statement, and we can factorize it with the help of splitting, as well as you can use the discriminant formula. It is completely your choice from which method you want to find the values. Here I am using the splitting method, like 14 minus 13 is 1 and 14 into 13 is 182. After that, x square plus 14x, I have taken x common, here x plus 14. From this step I have taken 13 common, minus 13 I have taken common, so it become x minus already outside x plus 14. Now the two factors are x minus 13 and x plus 14. Now we have to equate them equal to 0. X minus 13 equal to 0 and x plus 14 equal to 0. Here x equal to 13 and x equal to minus 14. But in the statement they are saying that positive integer, it means the value of x cannot be negative. So the correct answer is 13. It means your first consecutive integer is 13 and second consecutive integer is 14. So in the exercise 4.2 you have to do the first question, which is only simply calculation with the help of the discriminant formula, and these two questions you have to attempt in your fair notebook. Thank you.